Let's count in base 7. Now, first, recall what digits are being used in the base 7 counter system. We have digits 0 to 6. So we start with that. 0, base 7. 1, base 7. 2, base 7. 3, base 7. 4, base 7. 5, base 7. 6, base 7. Now that we are done with 1-digit numbers, we move on to 2-digit numbers. How do we start? We pick the first highest after 0, which is 1, then combine them with all these digits all over again to give us 2-digit numbers. So we have 10, base 7. We have 11, base 7. We have 12, base 7. We have 13, base 7. We have 14, base 7. 15, base 7. 16, base 7. Now for the next 2-digit numbers, we move on to 20, base 7. 21, base 7. 22, base 7. 23, base 7. 24, base 7. 25, base 7. 26, base 7. And the next is going to give us 3. Repeat the same procedure again. 0, base 7. And this keeps on going for 2-digit numbers till we have 66, base 7. Which happens to be the highest 2-digit number we can have in the base 7 counting system. Now, the next one to move on to is the 3-digit numbers. And that's going to have 1, 0, 0. It becomes the smallest 3-digit number we can have in the base 7 counting system. Then we keep the same procedure for this last digit, repeating the digits used in base 7. So we have 101, base 7. 102, base 7. And that goes to 106, base 7. Now what happens here again? We change the second digit here. We start bringing these digits one after the other. So the next digit after 106, base 7 is going to give us 1, 1. Then this changes all over again. We repeat this again. Base 7. And that keeps on going for 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers, and like that. Thank you.